Hello viewers, I am Kazi Mahmudul Haq of IT System Admin. IT System Admin is a complete information technology learning tutorial channel. To get exclusive troubleshooting and configurations, please keep in touch with me. Just subscribe this channel and stay with us. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix error 1068, that is Network and Sharing Center or Windows Defender Firewall error. When you try to run Network and Sharing Center or Windows Defender Firewall, it shows error 1068. The dependency service or group fails to start. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix these issues. First of all, I need to show you I'm going to show you Windows Firewall. Open Windows Firewall. Look, Windows Firewall is not showing anything here, and I cannot start Windows Firewall. Click on Turn Windows Firewall on or off. Look, there is no option to turn on Windows Firewall. Click on recommended settings. Look, nothing to do here. Okay, now close Windows Firewall. Now I am going to show you the services. In search, type services and open services. Scroll down. Look here. All network type services are disabled here. I can't run any network services from here. Okay, now click on network connections, click on properties. Now enable the service, click on automatic. Look, the status is shut down, and I am trying to start the service. Look, the error message showing here again. Error 1068. The dependency service or group failed to start. Okay, close services. Now I am going to show you how to fix these issues. In search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. In command prompt, type ipconfig space // DNS. Now hit enter. Look, successfully DNS cache flushed. Now close command prompt, right click on start menu, click on run, and in run type msconfig, click OK. Look, the Normal startup will be selected, must be selected. Click on normal startup and click on service tab, and all service tab, all services must be enabled. You have to ensure it that all services are enabled here, and uh, startup mode will be normal. And now click OK, apply, and then click OK. Look, the prompt is you have to restart your computer to fix these issues now. Okay, I'm not going to restart now. After restarting your problem, look, your all problem has been solved. Now your network is working, your network icon is showing on your taskbar, and you can browse network easily. Click on start menu, and also Windows Firewall is working properly. To restart your This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.